Insurance. It's your financial safety net. Life throws curveballs. Insurance helps you catch them. Whether it's a car accident or a house fire, insurance is there. It provides money to cover unexpected losses and damages. Think of it like this. Insurance is like a life jacket. You hope you never need it, but you're grateful to have it if you ever do. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you're protected when life takes an unexpected turn. Insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay them a regular fee, and they agree to pay for certain losses you might experience. It's a two-way street built on trust and financial responsibility. In simple terms, insurance is about transferring risk. You're transferring the financial risk of a potential loss to the insurance company. They are better equipped to handle large, unexpected costs. Let's take car insurance as an example. You pay a premium. In return, the insurance company covers certain costs if you're in an accident. Imagine you're driving and get into a fender bender. You file a claim with your insurance company. They investigate and, if covered, pay for repairs. If the accident was your fault, your insurance covers the other person's car and medical expenses. This is called liability coverage. You'll likely have to pay a deductible. Insurance pools premiums to cover losses, sharing risk and financial protection. You might be thinking, but what if I never get into an accident? Am I just throwing money away on insurance? That's a fair question. The truth is, you can't predict the future. None of us can. That's the whole point of insurance, to protect you from the unknown. Think of it like this. You buy a fire extinguisher hoping you'll never have to use it. But if a fire breaks out, you'll be incredibly grateful you have it. Insurance is similar. It's a safety net for life's unexpected events. Yes, paying for insurance can feel like an added expense, especially when you're on a tight budget. However, the potential financial devastation of not having insurance far outweighs the cost of premiums. Key insurance terms. Let's break down some important insurance terms. Premium. This is the regular payment you make to your insurance company to keep your coverage active. It's like a subscription fee for financial protection. Deductible. This is the amount you have to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Claim. This is a formal request you make to your insurance company for coverage after a covered event, such as a car accident or a house fire. Understanding these key terms will help you navigate the world of insurance with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Types of insurance. There are many different types of insurance, each designed to protect you from specific risks. Here are a few of the most common. Auto insurance. Protects you financially if you're in a car accident. Home insurance. Provides financial protection for your home and belongings. Health insurance. Helps cover medical expenses. Life insurance. Provides a financial safety net for your loved ones. Having the right types of insurance can provide peace of mind and protect you from financial hardship. The importance of insurance for financial protection. Insurance is not about getting rich. It's about protecting what you have. It's about having a plan in place for when life throws you a curveball. Life is full of unexpected events, some good and some bad. Insurance helps you weather the storms and come out stronger on the other side. It provides financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you're not alone in facing life's challenges. Don't wait until it's too late. Talk to a trusted insurance professional today. Review your coverage regularly to ensure it meets your evolving needs. Remember, being proactive about insurance is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make.